Let's see if we can't get some of those giant bluegills. Boom! There's one. I'm using my trusty Dock Master Ugly Stick. It's about 3 feet long. It's a little bit of fun. Look at the size of that bluegill. Wow. It's like snapper size, you know? A lot of people don't even believe bluegills get that big. Here's another one. Switch to the Walmart special rod there. I think that's a Zebco rod matched with the pen reel. Wow! It's gargantuan! Now, you certainly don't think bluegills get this big. Man, oh man. Let's get a look at that. Man, it's just a monster. Look at that copper face on it. People call them shell crackers because they like to eat some weird kind of crustaceans or snails off the bottom. They crush them like sheep's head, gobble them up, I guess. Look at the size of this thing. That's unbelievable. Boom, there's another one. These things fight good too. As long as you got appropriate, size rod to fish them. Even the rod I got there is a little big. I'm just using soft fajita shells for bait. Let's get a look at this one. Oh yeah, bye-bye. I always wonder, how do I get it to go way underneath that rope back here? Bam! Motorboating. Did you see him motorboat across the top of the water? There's another one putting up a pretty good fight, pretty good tussle. There's another gargantuan one. Red-eared sunfish, shellcracker, bluegill, whatever you want to call it. I call him Gigantus pithecus. Gigantus pithecus. Here we go. Let's get a close look at it. Got some beautiful color on it. Golden nose and head. It's hard to believe that sometimes these are sunfish. The real pretty red-breasted belly. They change colors like a chameleon. I'm sure we'll get a specimen that's got some good color on it. They tend to have good color in this cold water like this. Sometimes it's real bright. Ear fishy, bam! I'm the fishing man. And the man. Whoa. Crudler. Man, what a fish. It's one after the other. These would chase big snapper away. Man. That's a fish. Splash. Oh, he didn't want to let go of the hook. Still don't want to let go of that hook.